Hello viewers, in this video we solve an interesting math Olympiad question. It is a Harvard entrance exam question. Xy is equal to 25. This is our first equation. Yz is equal to 16. This is our second equation. And zx is equal to 9. This is our third equation. We find out what is the value of x plus y plus z. First of all, I multiply first equation, second equation and third equation. Then it will be xy times yz times zx is equal to 25 times 16 times 9. Then x times x, it will be x square, y times y, it will be y square, and z times z, it will be z square is equal to 25 times 16 times 9. This expression bases are different but exponents are same. According to exponential rule, it will be x, y, z whole square is equal to 25 times 16 times 9. I use both sides square root. Then it will be square root and square is cancel out. Then x, y, z is equal to square root 25, it will be 5, and 16, it will be 4, and 9, it will be 3. Then x, y, z, 5 times 4 times 3, it will be 16. We find out x, y, z is equal to 16. But our question, x plus y plus z is equal to what? X, y, z is equal to 60. This is our first case. This is our second case and this is our third case. Xy is equal to 25. I put this value here. Xy is equal to 25 times z is equal to 16. Then z is equal to 12 divided by 5. And this is our second case. Yz is equal to 16. Yz is equal to 16. It will be 16 times z is equal to 60. Then z is equal to and this is our third case. Xyz is equal to 16. Zx is equal to 9. Then y times 9 is equal to 16. Then y is equal to 20 divided by 3. Our question is x plus y plus z. X is simplify the equation, it will be 7069 divided by 16. This is our final answer.